Hello everyone, today I'm gonna open and change this iPad Pro 10.5 inch, the 2017 version. The screen had cracked, and now I'm gonna put on the heating plate. Now I put this on the heating plate. I put as the 80 to 85 degree. I put it for 30 minutes, but you can leave it as long as you want because we you only set the heat degree. So the longer you put on, easier you're gonna take it off. My heating plate is small, so I just flip it out later. Okay, if you use the heat gun, you have to move the heat gun, keep moving. Don't let it stay in one spot because you may damage the part or the battery. And you can move like that until around 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, after you heat it, use the razor, a sharp razor, to find an easy corner and put the razor in. Let me see. This one look like it's easier. And then I use a firm plastic to go around the iPad. I'm not gonna use a razor because I may cut some cable inside. You're going to move this plastic around to break to all the glue, and be careful on this part because if you break the home button, you can change because that's with the fingerprint sensor. Okay, this part is kind of hot, so you can use a razor to break the broken glass off. If it's getting cold, you can put back in the heating plate or the heat gun again. Careful with the glass because you're gonna break the finger. Move it slowly, very slowly. Now it's all the glue is off now. Let me try to take the screen out. Let me see if we have any cable connections. Okay. This part kind of hot. Okay, now we lift up the screen, but the cable is on the bottom, so you should lift up from the top first. Don't lift up on this part because you may break the cable or damage something. Now we use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew and take off the screen. It's kind of hot because You may want to cut the cable off because this screen coming one piece LCD and digitizer together, but it's not for this. Maybe disconnect to the home button. That's why I don't want to cut it off. Okay, now I take off and we're gonna lift off this cable. Before you take off this cable, make sure you power off the iPad. Okay, now you can use your fingernail to take it off. Okay, now all the cable off. And now I'm gonna clean up all the glass and the glue and tape off the iPad. Okay. Okay, this is the how iPad Pro 10.5 inch. Look, this is the screen that we're gonna change it. Okay. After you take off the broken screen, it will be easy to install. Now I'm gonna put the double side tape on all around the screen. Put all around the screen, double side tape. I use the thin one. This is how it looks. I'm gonna use this thin one, and by this thick, I have the thick one for that, for the thick part. So we have two sides for the iPad, and now we want to put it on the screen. See? You make sure you have to clean all the dust and glass and tape. Make sure no glass, no dust, because if any one piece of small glass you stick on here, it's gonna crack the LCD, and it's really cost. This iPad really cost. The screen very expensive. Make sure you clean all of them. You see, I have put all tape all around. Now we just need to take it off, but we need to put the home button back. Make sure you get it from the old screen, because that's how the fingerprint gonna work. And be careful when you take it off of the original screen. You have to use the heat gun or put in heat plate to take off the button. So make sure it's not get ripped or tear off. So after you done with all the tape and clean out the iPad, this is easy part to install. I hope you get done well. Nice